Hello friends, welcome back. This is Emmanuel Mendu. In this video, we will see how to work on BootStrap grid system. In my previous video, I explained you how to install Visual Studio and how to work on the BootStrap first design, how to download the CSS files and JavaScript of Bootstrap and integrate into your web application and how to show on your website. So in this video I will explain you the grid system. So this is the basic one you need to know before you start designing any Bootstrap websites. So like what I will do, I will tell you what's the grid system and how to play around, and this is the basic one. So once you start once you start working on it, and if you are following my videos, you will know more and more in detail. um, if you know HTML before, you will know how to work on the table, row and column. So same way, if you're in the Bootstrap grid system, so every table and a row, every row is divided into 12 columns. Okay, means technically a table is means 100% of your screen. Let's think that way. So your imaginary comes here, like you need to think your screen has 100% and divided by 12 columns. So whenever your width of your screen is greater than 1200 pixels, so let's think like 1200 by 12 means every 1% is equal to 100 pixels. So don't write anywhere the pixels. So Bootstrap works completely on percentages, so think about like percentage wise. So every screen is divided by 12 means approximately 8.33% each column will take. So I will show you how to how the Bootstrap is divided. If you are working on the very small devices and small devices and medium, like laptop, tablet and phone and desktop, how it works and how you need to manipulate the code. So the Bootstrap already included like good way the XS and SM and MD and LG. Four different devices size. The Bootstrap already have inbuilt style classes, so you can use them. So the access is some width. Like nowadays, you cannot say access is only phones, because phones, sometimes phones are uh, we are getting phones as a tablet size of devices. So let's think about width wise. The access is, let's approximately it's less than 500, like greater than 500, and less than 750 is SM. Like so, no, I'm just telling you some approximately values. If in our next videos I will show you exact values what Bootstrap has taken and how to manipulate them uh, to um to work on your website design. Okay, so let's see how this will work. I already worked on our initial part. So in this existing code, what I will do, I will um, create one row, class row, and in the class row what I will do, I will create one column. I will take access 12, I will say column, and I will just use this and view browser, and you will see column is shown here, and if you go smaller or bigger, there is only one column. So it will take all the percentage, like 100%. It will take where whichever device it is. So now what I will do, I will just make this as dead center align, so that it looks good for you, visibility wise. So whenever you go small and big, the column will take complete 100%. Now if I add one more column, let's say column 1, column 2. Now if I go and refresh the page, and now I see column 1 is down and column 2 down. So you can think like, what I added two columns, it should, this column 2 should come here. But in this case what I'm saying, the excess is 12, means the other three also 12. So if you are specifying the excess 12, the if you are not specifying any values, the default it will take the excess number. So that way, if I say here SM, and if I will say here 6. Now if I go and refresh the screen, now for the SM width and the MD and the large, it will show two columns. If I go some smaller, I didn't specify anything for access, so here it will take the 12 width. If you don't specify anything, it will take 12, means complete 100%. So for SM, MD, LG is a 6, means 50% each. Now what I will do, I will go ahead and add, I want to show, when it is excess, I want to show only one column. For SM, I want to show two columns. For MD, I want to show three columns, means 12 by 3, so 4. And LG, I want to show three columns, means uh, 4 columns, means 3. 12 by 4 is 3. So let's add few more, so that it will be easy for you guys to understand. So now what I will do, I will just refresh the page. Now I see 4, means the access is not defined, so the access screen, it will take 100% of every column. So now slowly I will increase the size. So once it comes to the SM width, it is showing two columns each. Once I go to MD screen, it took 3, means every column is 4 4 4. This is 12. The other 4 came down. If I go little larger, now the 3 3 3 3. So 3 into 4 is 12. So this way the column width will be divided, and once you start doing with the different examples, you will come up with a lot of questions. And once you are playing with the controls, how to display, where to display, and etc etc, then um, you will you will know easily. So just watch my videos, and stay tuned, and you will see lot of um, uh, features in our bootstrap, and I will explain you more and more about this grid system in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. um, keep watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.